G'day again. Oh, things are falling everywhere. This time we've got three Greenlights, Pontiacs, two Firebirds and a Pontiac TA. So we'll start with this 1980 Pontiac TA, white. Nice, what we've got Series 8, this one. There's the back of the card. There we go. The cars were in that series. So 2012. Okay, let's get that open. Sorry to give you a blank screen there. I'm not too good with the editing side of things. That's a good one. So, I will have to practice the editing side of things later. Otherwise, this is the car. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, been looking forward to get these out of their packaging. What have we got here? This was obviously number 444. Very nice. Don't think anything opens on that one, but that's fine. I don't mind it when things don't open. Means all the lines are a lot neater. Just got a basic blue interior. Okay, let's get the next one done. Alright, we have another one here, 1981 Pontiac Firebird TA. Another one in white, it's just a plain white, black wheels. This is Series 6. It's the front. There's the back. These cars are in that series. It's 2011 release. Okay, I'll leave you again for a second. I'll open this up. Okay. Alright, well, it's very similar to the other one. This one's just all black interior. Car's all white. Black wheels. Okay. Plain white, but still looks awesome. Bottom. Okay. Let's get the next one done. Alright. This one is a Greenlight Muscle series. Comes with 4 spare wheels. 1980 Pontiac Firebird TTA. Solar gold. Very nice. This one has the opening bonnet. It's a Series 3. Limited edition. There's the back. A little bit about the car there. Okay. You can pause and have a look at that later. So 2011. Okay. I'll get this open. At least you've got cars to look at on the screen while I'm doing this. Okay. Alright. There's the car. Oh, jeez, okay, wheels are separate. Oops, don't go anywhere. Okay, that's the first for me. Okay. Alright, well, here's a trading card. We got wheels. And camera focus, camera focus. No. Okay, let's just not worry about the wheels. This is what everyone wants. Ooh, very nice. Very nice paintwork on this one. Come on, camera. There we go. That's nice. All gold. Okay. Very good. Get the bonnet open. There we go. It's not too bad, it's all black. Thought they would add a little bit more detail there, but so that's all they done. That's not too bad. I don't normally have them there with their bonnets open and doors and stuff like that. It's normally all shut up. Just display better when they're all closed up. Just like that. It's nice. Well, that is it for them 3 today. Greenlights. Very good, very happy with those. Once again, got to find room on in the cabinet. Alright, until next time.